Today is Monday, November 13th. Yeah, that's right. And I'm on my way to work. As you saw, if you saw my last video, radio, you know that they swapped me over at Mar Vista. Now I'm working actually like on the farm. I'm not really sure what my job title is, but some people just say mechanic. Other people say heavy equipment mechanic. So anyways, it's basically I'm just servicing the tractors. It's winter time and all the tractors need winter servicing. So they've tasked me with that, which is super cool. It's super awesome. I really enjoy what I do and my job. I have so much fun every day. There's always something new to learn, something new to do, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity. Welcome to the farm. This is the other side of the farm. We grow strawberries, and I see there's a lot of really cool farming YouTubers, but they all do like grain and hay and all that kind of stuff. I don't really know what I'm talking about here, but this is what it's like working for a strawberry farm. So yeah, it's almost 6:30 right now, and I'm just about there. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Yeah, let's go see what the day has for us. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Oh, bueno. I'm slowly but surely learning Spanish, and I'm getting better at it, but sometimes I still I pause a little bit and oh, what am I supposed to say? But they're so cool about it. I love it. What a sunrise this morning. Looks like it's gonna start raining. It's supposed to rain on Wednesday through I guess like the whole weekend, and dang. Dang. Gasket for something for a John Deere. I guess that might be a little bit of a sign about what I'm doing today. This is the shop. Yeah, it's pretty rad. Like a great view of the sunset. This is where I filmed the fire from the other day. Check it out. All the tools and everything. I bring my own to keep them in the Jeep. A lot of people just have them on their own trucks. And yeah, good old American flag. I kind of just like to start my morning off by sweeping this all out. I don't know, maybe it's the OCD in me, but it's kind of nice just to have a totally clean workspace first thing in the morning. And I like to leave it that way too. Before I go home, I just sweep it all out. And if you didn't know, we live in a valley. So in the mornings we get the wind coming, we get the wind coming out because the sun comes up, heats it up, and blows all the dirt in. And then in the afternoon we get the winds coming this way. So I don't know. Treat your workspace nice and your workspace will treat you nice, right? It's getting colder and colder. The longer I stay outside, it's oh, I'm getting so cold. So yeah, I got my list, and let's see if any of these tractors are here this morning for us to grab. Let's see here. I don't think it's gonna be tall enough. That ain't gonna be tall enough. Not really too much to it. Just 2 oil filters, fuel filter, air filter, and then a fuel filter for these little guys. Look at that mess. Oh, that's gonna be fun to dig out. All right, that's more like it. That's what it should look like. Dang, that was a lot of crap. Hey, yeah, that's pretty much the servicing on these, the winter servicing on these Kubotas. I don't know how to say it. Not really too much to it. I think this is the only one here today, so normally I'd say, all right, let's go grab another one, but let's go see what's out there. I hear some kind of tractors and stuff moving. And I saw my boss Edgar drive in, but I haven't seen him today. So let's go find out what else we can do.
We're supposed to change the leaf springs on that water truck.
So I don't know what day or when we're gonna do that, but like I was saying earlier, it's supposed to rain on Wednesday. And I'm also taking off. I leave Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'll be at Tierra Redonda for the Ultra, running the 10K. Super excited about that. So yeah, let's put this back and go see what else we can do. Well, I guess I'm only doing one today, which is cool because then that will free us up to do these leaf springs hopefully, or see what we need to do for the John Deere filter. And this is a new seat bracket for one of the Kubotas, so let's find out. Let's give Edgar a call and see what's up next for the day. It's only 8:17. I love starting early and ending early.
Just look at the sky today. Dang, check it out, that top leaf is broken. What can I get you? What do you need?
Open the hip. The driver.
Grande or medium?
So my GoPro died when we were in the middle of the leaf spring project, but I just got these two serviced and they're about to bring two more over from the other farms. And yeah, we're just having a small tractor Kubota kind of day. Hey, yeah, that's a day at the shop. I got what? 3 tractor service today. Yeah, 3 of them finished up today. We got more filters coming tomorrow. I'll finish those other 2 that were in the shop. And yeah, it's gonna be a great Tuesday. Great Tuesday on the farm. Can't wait. Finish up the leaf springs. Thank y'all for watching and stay tuned to the next one.